this video, I will be showing you how to write the equation of a circle given the center, coordinates, and the length of a radius of a circle. In writing the equation of a circle in center radius form, we need the length of the radius and the coordinates of the center. HK represents the coordinates of the center. R is the length of the radius. The equation of the circle is quantity x minus h squared plus quantity 1 minus k squared equals r squared. If the center is at the point of origin or at 0, 0, the equation of the circle then is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Example 1. Write the equation of a circle with the center at the point of origin and radius of 8 units. R is equal to 8 units and the center is at 0, 0, which is the point of origin. The center radius form then is x squared plus y squared is equal to 8 squared, or you may write this as x squared plus y squared equals 64. Number 2, write the equation of a circle with center at 1, 5 and radius of 5 units. R is 5 units and center is at 1, 5. Substituting the given values to the center radius form, that is quantity x minus 1 squared because the h is 1, and then plus quantity y minus 5 squared because k is 5 is equal to 5 squared. Or you may write this as quantity x minus 1 squared plus quantity y minus 5 squared equals 25. Third example, write the equation of a circle with center 0, negative 2 and radius of 4 units. R is 4 units and the center is 0, negative 2. In the equation of a circle, substitute the given. H is 0, then k is negative 2. That is quantity x minus 0 squared plus quantity y minus negative 2 squared equals 4 squared. That is x minus 0 is x squared plus y minus negative 2 is y plus 2, quantity squared equals 4 squared is 16. Number 4, write the equation of a circle with center negative 6, negative 3 and radius of 10 units. Of course, R is 10 units and the center is negative 6, negative 3. Substitute the given values into the center radius form. H is negative 6, K is negative 3. Therefore, it's quantity x plus 6 squared plus quantity y plus 3 squared, because negative times negative, so positive, equals 10 squared is 100. Number 5. Write the equation of a circle with diameter whose endpoints are negative 3, 7, and 5, 1. The given length is a diameter and its endpoints. To write the equation of a circle, you need the length of the radius and the coordinates of the center. Step 1. Find the center. The midpoint of the diameter is the center of the circle. Using the midpoint formula, then substitute the given coordinates of x and y. That is, the midpoint is -3 plus 5 all over 2 for the x coordinate of the midpoint. Then 7 plus 1 all over 2 for the y coordinate of the midpoint. The center of the circle then is 1, 4. Step 2. First, listing the given endpoints of the diameter plus the midpoint coordinates. We can now find the distance from the center to any point on the circle, and the distance is the radius itself. We may use the -3, 7 and the midpoint coordinates to get the distance, or coordinates of the other endpoint and the midpoint to get the distance. R, which is the distance, D, is equal to the square root of the difference of the 2x plus the square of the difference of the 2y's. Substituting the given, using the first endpoint and M, or the midpoint, that is equal to the square root of -3 minus 1 quantity squared plus 7 minus 4 quantity squared, which is equal to 5 units. The other solution to get the distance is by using the second endpoint and the M, or the midpoint. Substitute the given values into the distance formula, that is equal to the square root of 1 minus 5 quantity squared plus 4 minus 1 quantity squared, that is equal to 5 units. Step 3. The equation of the circle with center 1, 4 and radius of 5 units is quantity x minus 1 squared plus y minus 4 quantity squared equals 5 squared, or 25. That's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye!